Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Amazon haul. This is just a couple of things that I picked up recently. I have two blank palettes here and some watercolor paper and a new gouache set to try out. And let's see, first I have to take a look at, I ordered two of these because I have some art supplies that need a new home. And this is just like your standard plastic palette here. And it holds 12 colors here on the bottom, and then there's a few wells up top, and this actually, I guess you can hold on to it that way, or it does snap closed, and then you can actually put some brushes in here, so that's pretty cool too. And these were less than $5 each. So that was really, really affordable. And again, it's plastic, but it's definitely durable. And it seals. And again, this is the same exact thing. And I picked up some of the Strathmore watercolor sheets there. These are, there's 25 in that pack, and they are the cold press 140 pound. This is what I usually get. I've had various brands, but the Strathmore one is, it's a good brand. I just want to pull one out. See, already pre-cut, 5x7. It's really smooth. Again, it's a good thickness. Good thickness that won't buckle. Okay, 100% cotton, acid free. And I picked up a different type of gouache set here. This one is the Arteza brand. 24 different colors. And let's see, because I didn't even open it up. I'm going to do a separate review on these, and I will actually swatch out all of the colors and make a tutorial. Let's see here, I just want to take off the plastic. There we go. So I could at least see what's in here. And right off the bat, I can see that there's colors on the tubes, which is very nice. So you can see peach red, rose, crimson, burnt sienna, vermilion, scarlet. So there's lots and lots of colors here. And gouache is a little bit thicker than watercolor, but not as thick as acrylic. But again, I'm going to do a separate video on all of these, and I will go into further detail on that. Let's see here, even on the back, again it says all of the colors that are inside and the numbers. And I think this was $23, I believe, plus shipping. So again, it's definitely an affordable brand. I have tried other gouaches in the past, and I just wanted to see this particular brand. Claims to be for artists of all different levels, whether you're an artist or a hobbyist. Let's see. Just some basic information on the back. I was just curious. These tubes are nice and strong. One of the colors are really vibrant. I could tell just by looking at that red. Okay. And let's see here. I will be placing the colors in these cases, or some of them anyway. Again. You can see how well they blend out. So obviously you can leave them really thick, or you can blend them out with the water. And they have the ability to layer really well on top of each other. But again, I'm going to do a full separate review in an actual piece of artwork in a different video. This was just a couple quick swatches here, like a first impressions. And they definitely look really nice. Like I said, they blended out. No streaking. In an overall recap here, I think that these trays are definitely worth, like I said, it was only, they were less than $5 each. These I'm excited to go a little further with and experiment a little bit more. And the Strathmore I have used before. This is a really nice grade of paper. Again, it was the 100% cotton, acid free. These just happen to be the pre-cut sheets, 140 pound. I personally don't buy anything lower than 140 pound because they buckle, the cheaper paper. And thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for, up next I will have the further review of the gouache and an actual tutorial.